Should I take them off?
No.
The only issue is I think my socks aren't the same.
No. What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to the home of Jump Rope Fitness and Lifestyle people. Today we have an epic tutorial with my girl here, Tahlia, Coutinho. Say what's up.
What's up? That was such a good introduction.
That's how we roll, man. First take. Listen, today we are showing T how to do double unders right now. She's got a bit of basics, a bit of fundamentals going on, and if you watch this channel a lot, you would have seen this is now her 4th time on. We've done a few little bits and pieces. It has been a while though. It's been a while, so we're going to brush up on some skills, all right? But this is for those of you who are just getting into double unders and want to make it look clean, fresh and fluid like we always say on this channel. Hit the links down below to grab yourself the hottest skipping ropes on the internet. Use Rush10 for 10% discount. We've got you hooked up as always. So without further ado, let's get into this. Okay. We're going to basically start we're going to keep it kind of nice and natural here today, guys. We're going to try and get Tahlia into a rhythm, right? Okay. So we've just been working a little bit off camera just to see where she's at, and I think today's tutorial is going to help a lot of people out there. Okay. Show everyone where you're at with the doubles at the moment. So just getting some basic skipping right now so we can see your footwork. Okay. And then when you're ready to do your double, just do your double. Okay. Yeah. Okay, cool, nice. And again. Cool. Really good. Really good. All right. First off, okay, do you feel like when you're landing, it's a little bit heavy? It is heavy. Yeah? It feels a little bit shaky. And am I jumping too high before I'm landing? So what it is, right, if you're kind of in the same position, guys, is she's got a good rhythm. So your actual boxer step and stuff is nice, right? Okay. Let me show more of that actually quickly. So I just want to kind of pinpoint. Boxer step? Yeah, boxer step. Okay. So if you're skipping, this is perfect, guys, man. This is what you want to be on the balls of your feet. Nice rhythm. My elbows are close to me, right? Your elbows are good, yeah. Okay. So she just picked up this rope off the rack as well as you do at the HQ. We've got loads of ropes, of course. So measured wise, I think it's kind of like it's a good sort of length for, like it feels comfortable, right? It does, yeah. Yeah. If anything, it might be a little bit too long for her, but just for the purposes of this video, we'll sort it out a bit later on. Okay. But rhythm wise, she's good, right? So she's got the rope moving, and then when you come to doing your double now, you've got a tendency to jump too high. Okay. And then also kick back the heels. Right. Right. So where we sort of want to be is, if you're kind of watching it, is this is all good, and then when you take off, watch my feet. So do you see, like? So you're just going straight up. So I take off, and then my feeling is that my toes face the ground and that my heels come up. Right. So it doesn't always look like that, but when you do it, your knees start to flex. Got it. So when you take off now, we're going to try and get you into a position where... So the knees are straight, I'm just jumping? Yeah, if the only flex you get, and this is really important, right? So the only flex you get is when you're about to take off. A tiny little pressure into the floor, because what happens is when you put downward force into the floor, the floor is going to spring you back up. Okay. So then it's here, and then you can get back to your boxer step, right? So have that little feeling. Okay, that's good. One more time. The jump was... No, that's good, that's good. It's all up. Yeah, a little flex there. So you're still flexing. It's good. This is really good, right? Because I think a lot of people do the same thing. When you're coming up, the tendency is to flex because you feel like you're not going to make the jump, right? You feel like the rope's going to come by your feet before you land. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So let's do a little drill now. We're going to just keep the rope on the side or put it on the floor where it feels easier. Mm-hmm. And I'm going to get you to jump. And I'm going to get you to feel like all the gravity is now coming off the body. Okay. So now we're going to try and stop this heavy landing. Okay. So now you're going to take off, gravity comes off you, and then when you land, you're going to try and land the balls of your feet, but you're going to land as if you're not trying to make a noise on the floor. So imagine eggshells. Okay. We're not trying to break the eggshell. So I'll start and you follow, right? So it's this. Yeah, I'm just exaggerating these little knee flexes, but we're just trying to take away the sound. Yeah. I think this sounds. By the way, my shoes. You are when she's turned up for skipping tutorial in her. Should I take them off? No. The only issue is I think my socks aren't the same. No. So she's gonna ruin the matching look. No, the Jordans look a bit heavyweight, to be fair, but that's better than when you were doing it before. But do you recommend landing more on the heels? Do you recommend skipping without shoes? No. Good question. Very good question. So this is a big topic. I wouldn't recommend it for beginners.
Okay.
So I've always been doing it from when I started.
You messed up your toe the other day, didn't you?
Don't mention that, yeah? Yeah, I smacked my toe, my toenails come off. No one needs to see that anymore. But no, don't skip without trainers, guys, yeah? Be safe out there. I do it because it's just a comfort thing for me.
Fair
like
enough.
it feels comfortable, but it might cause injuries. But I think
if I was at your level, I'd do the same.
potentially. But I think the what are these boots? What are these?
They're Jordans.
They're Jordan high tops, right?
High tops, yeah.
So they're a little bit heavier, right?
They are.
But when you first started, it was quite heavy on your heels.
Yeah.
So now, even if it's going to make a sound, it's fine, but
Yeah.
be more on the balls of your feet.
Okay, got
So let's
it.
do a few more of these drills, yeah? So here, really light, springing off. Remember the gravity thing I told you. So you're coming off, and then now the weight's coming off our body. Much lighter, okay? That's the feeling. So let's try and get into this now.
Okay.
And I want you to be nice and calm when you get into this. Let's go 3, 2, 1, straight body. And then landing softly now, yeah?
Okay.
As quiet as you can.
You ready?
Yeah, go for it. Nice. Beautiful. Good. Smashed it. One more. Put it there. Guys, easy as that. I think that's the video done, man. Very simple, but easy.
Such a good trainer.
I'm all right, man. I'm all right. I'm not bad at this. Listen, guys, really quick video just to show you how you can implement some quick tips. Think about your weight. Think about the kind of gravity coming off your body, landing softly, letting those wrists fire. You've got some skills. It's just
Thank you.
It's just a little bit of tweaks that I needed. So hopefully that helped you guys. Did that help you?
That definitely helped me. I need
Yeah.
to practice. I always say this to you when we film, and then I always forget to practice. But
Get that practicing, guys, man.
Oh.
Thank you so much for T coming down. Whoosh. That was sick. Guys, remember, we have a Nova Rope testing day coming up very soon, March the 18th, here at Fly City. Get yourselves down here, sign up. We're going to leave another link down below. We'd love you all to be here, man. This rope, which is not in my hand right now, the Nova rope, is epic, okay? You need to come check it out. Today we're using actually the money rope performances and speed rope. But anyway, that's another story. People, without further ado, love you all. Give this video a big thumbs up if it helped you. And yeah, share it with friends and family. I'm sure you guys are all flying boss as usual. I'll see you in the next video. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
you didn't give me a chance.
I didn't
to
give you a
say
chance to
goodbye.
say bye. Go on.
Guys, thank you so much for watching Rushy's video today.
That was a sick outro. Anything else? Anything else you want to add?
Soon I'll be skipping like you.
Soon she will be, yeah? We've got another video or 2 coming up with Tahlia. Yeah, make sure you subscribe. Anyway, say bye properly, yeah? Peace.
Bye guys, lots
Love
of
you.
love.
Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.